What is up, all you beautiful phone hackers? You ever get into that situation where you just don't know what to write? Or maybe, I don't know, you get like a brain fart and you just don't know what to put on this ad. Or maybe you get this in this moment where you're writing some ad copies, you're writing out an email template, or you're writing out a landing page, you're designing a funnel, and you just don't know what to write. You don't know the right words to use. You don't know what copy to use. And you don't want to hire some sort of expensive copywriter, nor do you want to use, I don't know, nor do you want to copy someone else's copy. What I'm trying to say is I have a solution for you. I have a solution that's allow you to be able to instantly generate copy in the blink of an eye. It's really fantastic. And this is called Chat GPT. Now, I'm sure you guys might have heard of this because right now, Chat GPT is actually really trending right now. You probably see a lot of YouTube videos on this, but this is our YouTube video. All right. So what this is allow you to do is allows you to do two really, really crazy important things. This is some alpha right here, guys. This is a game right here. So what it allows you to do is, like I said, it allows you to do, it uses AI to be able to submit to answer requests that you have. So what you could actually use this for is to create copy. So for example, let me show one example. Write me an email to give a refund for my software company. Oops. So what you're able to do is you're able to input things like this, write me an email to give a refund for a software company, and bam, just like that. Dear Valley customer, we hope this email finds you well. We are writing to inform you that we'll be issuing a refund for the software you purchased from our company. We apologize for any inconvenience you may have experienced with the software. We take customer satisfaction very seriously. I want to make sure that you're fully satisfied with the products and services that we provide. To process a refund, we need the following information from you, blah, 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 blah. Once you receive the information, we will begin processing the refund and it should be credited back to your account within 7 to 10 days. Thank you for patience, understanding. If you have any further questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. I'm gonna be honest, guys. If I were to write this myself, it would be like, here is my refund. But this sounds so much more professional. Okay. I love this. And what you're able to do is, as you can see over here, you're able to save it right here. Refund for software. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do another chat here. Create copy for my CRM software company. Create copy to put on my website for my CRM software company. Allow a couple of seconds to actually do its thing. Allow us to write for it. And what I'm going to do is CRM software copy company site copy. I'm going to let this write. I'm going to let this do its thing. What's really cool about this is you can put together a whole lot of copy really quick. Okay. Once this is done typing, I'm going to go through. As you can see over here, welcome to company A, the premier provider CRM software solutions, or blah, blah, blah. Our CRM offers a range of powerful features, including contact manager, sales tracking, marketing automation, analytics, and reporting. Our team of experienced professionals dedicated, blah, blah, blah. Sign up for free trial today. That's excellent. Look at that. So you can make copy for your website. So let me show you an example that I need to use this for today. So one quick example over here is you guys know our software company, Phone Hacker Lab. This over here, this step 3 over here, where we actually talk about all the traffic training we show people, and talk about all the organic social media hustling. Pretty much what we do is we teach people how to pretty much automate their back end and add a little more predictability by adding some proven traffic generating strategies into the business. And what I wanted to do is I want to kind of talk about that a lot better. Right? Because right here, it's not the best. I don't think it's the best copy is what I'm trying to say. So over here, like I said, over here is we make sales and we scale, right? So let's do this. Write copy for website traffic generating courses, right? Copy for a website traffic generating course. Perfect. It's going to come up with some more copy for that. So we have pretty much in this section, we're talking about courses that show you how to generate more traffic. But we also do is in this last section over here is go back down here, make sales and scale. We talk about traffic attribution reporting. So let's talk about really quick. Let's talk about the importance of creating content. Let's make one more content. Excuse me. Let's make one more copy subject regarding content distribution, the importance of creating content for social media. It's also make another one about the importance of Facebook ads, and it's also make another one about the importance of keeping track of your traffic. Okay. Right. Copy about what was it? The importance of creating content for your social media marketing efforts. Write copy about the importance of creating content for your social media marketing efforts. Look at the last one real quick. Write some content about website for our website traffic generating course. Okay, so it just gives you a couple key points. Introducing course name, the ultimate website traffic generating course, or step-by-step program designed to help you increase website traffic, track quality, leads, ultimately grow your business. This course, you learn how to optimize your website for search engines, best practices of creating, promoting, all this different stuff that they give you just good ideas over here. Latest techniques for social media marketing and paid advertising. A team of experts have helped us countless. As you can see over here, creates excellent copy that you can use. Pretty much how this works is it surfs the entire internet, does a lot of SEO for you actually, because what it does is searches the entire internet, searches the entire web, and looks for good, not necessarily good, but high traffic, high ranking search key terms and puts it together into something like this. This way you're gonna get the best type of copy that you can get. All right. And it's just, like I said, it speeds up the entire time it takes you to build a website, create ads, create emails, all that stuff. So we did one for sure. Here's a copy about the importance of social media marketing. So I can add this right onto our website here. We also should do one for the importance of keeping track of your ads. Okay, let's talk about create copy for the of running Facebook ads. Sure. Okay. So over here, this is for all the website stuff. So CRM, what are we right here? CRM company website copy. I want to do Funaka Lab site copy, site features copy. It just talks about the features that we have. Refund for software. Okay. So guys, like I said, this is what's working for me. All right. This is how I generate all my copy is by using OpenAI and simply putting in what I want, write email to give me a refund from our software company, create copy to put on a website for my CRM software company, write copy for a website traffic generating course, write copy for the importance of creating content for your social media marketing efforts. Okay. Create copy for the importance of influencing and running Facebook ads. Pause right here. There's an error generating response. Restart that. Sure, here it is. Gonna give it some seconds because I probably went to the other page. Okay, and like I said, you can do this for landing page. You can do this for emails. You can do it for websites. You can do it for ads. You can do it for text messages. Okay, nurture sequences. Okay. Another example. Let's do another chat. Create a email nurture sequence for leads that don't put the apostrophe show up to look at that. Create an email nurture sequence for leads that don't show up to appointments. Wow. If you're telling me this is not powerful, like you could leave this video right now, literally. And chat OpenAI is chat.openai.com. As you can see right there, you can look up Chat GPT. There's a lot of different things you can find on here, but this is what I find that just works. Okay. And look, it's just building this entire email nurture sequence. Guys, how is this not making you money? How is this not saving you time? Okay. This is what I do for my software company, and it works. Okay. So let's rename this abandon appointment nurture. Something like that. Or no show nurture sequence. Or do appointment. No show nurture sequence. And it's still going, guys. So guys, like I said, guys, this is gonna help you generate a lot of copy without having to hire expensive copywriters. We're having to spend hours and hours just trying to make something sound right, without having to waste all your powerful brain cells trying to generate this copy or surfing the internet trying to find what works. Because I mean, I'm not gonna lie, before OpenAI, before ChatGPT, what I would do is I would try to model success, just like Russell Brunson says. I'll go to other websites, I'll find other competitors, and I'll just try to find words that copy that makes sense that can help further explain my product or service or software that I'm selling. So like I said, guys, this is what I'm doing to generate a large amount of copy really quick. In addition, like what you can also do, by the way, too, is you can create a blog. Here, wait. It's the last thing I'm gonna end off on. This is so cool, guys, because you can really rank up those blogs. You can really rank up keywords really quick by using this. Okay, you can create a blog, create a blog article about the importance of tracking of using a CRM to close more sales. Guys, take a mic, drop the mic right there. Drop the mic. Okay. Like, drop the mic. This is crazy. Okay. Create a blog article about the importance of using a CRM to close more sales. Guys, really? Look at this. This is crazy. So you can also imagine the power of how much money this makes. Because what you can also do is you can also offer this as a service as well too. On top of that, you can also offer copy as a service, blog writing as a service, SEO writing as a service, yeah, ad copy as a service. You can email nurture sequences as a service. All that stuff you can do right here so easily. Guys, real quick, I know this is writing a big paragraph out here. I don't want to waste your time too much. I just wanted to get this out to you guys because this is so important. It's going to save you so much time, okay? And the website is right here. As you can see, chat.openai.com, okay? What you can also do is you can look up chat GPT, and you're going to find a lot of websites that are like that right here. First one pops up. Use that one. That's what I use. That's what works for me. I'm sure there's other ones, but I like them the best because it's nice and simple. Once again, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This is one of those videos that I'm just giving you straight freaking alpha, guys. That's why my brand is called the Project Alpha. You know how we'll be. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching, guys. And if you're interested in finally adding some more predictability into the business, if you're interested in actually finally systematizing, automating the back end of your business so that you can be on the beach drinking margaritas on that freaking beach, check out Funnel Hacker Labs. Isn't the Linktree link down below? Guys, I can almost guarantee you that you're not going to regret it. Check out Funnel Hacker Labs right now, because what we do is we automate, we do everything for you guys. We systematize your entire business, guys. And I call it the 2-week business automation challenge that we're implementing. We design your funnel, we automate your nurture and sales sequence, and we make sales and we scale. Once again, guys, I want to thank you guys so much, all right, for watching this video. If you guys have any other suggestions, or if you guys just need help making your business easier, if you're stuck in a problem, you have some struggles or something like that, I really strongly encourage you to comment it down below. Send me a message or whatever you got to do to get in contact with me. All right, for my Facebook group, contact one of my teammates. All right, because what we want to do is you over here as the Project Alpha or Funnel Hacker Labs, we want to make you succeed, guys. We want to make you succeed. We want to make you as successful as possible so we can get the best testimonial possible, guys. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later. Peace out.